Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do my top favorite lipsticks. Most nudes like end up looking white on me, and so I know it's really hard to find like really good even pinks and browns and even reds to go with darker skin tones. So I wanted to kind of share that with you guys. But I've been getting a lot of requests too on what kind of lipsticks I actually wear, and so I think it was about time for me to kind of record this video. And so I have 8 favorite lipsticks that I want to share with you guys. Okay, so first favorite lipstick is the one I'm actually wearing right now. It's called Taupe. So I'm actually gonna quickly take it off just so you guys can actually see everything with and without the lip liner. I have naturally darker pigmented lips, so it actually was really hard for me to find like really good lipsticks because a lot of the times either they're really sheer and like the color doesn't really deposit on my lips, or sometimes it just like would make it like look really white. All right, so the first one, like I mentioned before, was Taupe. This is like my everyday wear. I love how it's like really like warm and moisturizing and just brightens up your face at the same time. So this is what it looks like. Love it. And then this is the lip liner that I wear with like every lipstick. I only have one lip liner, and this is the Chestnut from MAC as well. I usually put on lip liner before the lipstick, but I want to show you guys, of course, what it looked like without it. I go in a little bit more with the actual lipstick to get some of the color back. But yeah, it looks good either or. I love both looks. And then of course you can go ahead and even add a little bit of lip gloss to it. Just like any clear lip gloss, or like a little bit of shine or goldeny shine to it. So this is my Fave top lipstick. Okay, so my second fave is called Twig. So this is like almost finished. I gotta buy a new one. But it's like a nice like pinkish brownish color. Like, you guys don't understand how hard it was for me to find a pink for my lips. They're usually like so bright, which I don't mind, but I kind of like more toned down natural looks, or they're so white and ashy looking on me, and it's like, whoa, like how hard is it to just find a regular pink? This one I love. Look at it, it's so beautiful. You guys cannot deny, I love this lipstick. This is like my second or almost even first favorite. And then of course, if you want to add a little bit of liner, you can. Same one to make it look a little bit more darker, but more, I feel like it also makes it look more like you're going somewhere nice or something, you know? Like you want to tie the lip together. I don't know, to be honest, the more I look at it, I kind of like it more without the lip liner. It was more brighter. So this one is called Photo. It's like a brownish chocolatey color. It looks so good. This is a nice, beautiful, dark, rich brown, chocolatey brown. You know, it has a lot of warmth to it as well. It has like, I feel like a golden yellow undertone to this brown, which I love. I feel like it brightens up your face, but also, even though it's like a darker lip color, ooh, this really stands out more with the lip liner. It makes my lips so much more full than it really is, which I love. So what do you guys think about this one? I used to never like dark lip colors, but when you find a really good one, it looks so good, especially when your hair is a little bit lighter. I find that it just, I don't know, it looks so much better. Okay, so another favorite is called Creme in Your Coffee. And it's kind of like Twig. It's kind of like a pinkish brownish, but it's a little different. I'll show you guys. It's not as, I feel like, pigmented as the Twig, but I don't know, I kind of feel like it's a little similar. Like, I don't really like buying lip colors that look too similar. I find that this is a bit more natural looking than the other one. I don't even put like a lip gloss on with this one because I feel like it has like a natural like lip gloss to it, and it's super moisturizing. So this is what it looks like. Creme in Your Coffee. So it's just like an everyday with a little bit of color to it. And yeah, I like it. It's simple, it's nice. Like, you really can't go wrong with this one. And of course, if you want to spice it up, you add in that lip liner. So when you add it, it's, of course, it gives it more of like an extra. It's like more than an everyday. It's like, I'm going somewhere after work, you know? Yeah. So this one used to be like my fave when I first, you know, discovered MAC lipsticks. It's called Touch. Let me take some of this off. And it kind of reminds me of Photo, but it's more subtle. It's not as like dark. I used to wear this every single day, you guys. Every single, this is my favorite, my first favorite from MAC. So another nice brownish nude is called Verve. This kind of has like a purpley color to it. Purpley brown, like a plum, which I love. I think it's so pretty. And I'm gonna add a little liner to show you guys. I know a lot of you guys wear liner, so, but yeah, this is Verve. Ooh, I like it. Sometimes you forget how much you like it until you actually put it on again, because these darker colors I don't wear as often, so like you forget how much you like them. I'm gonna start wearing it more often now. I only have 2 Fave red lipsticks, and the first one is gonna be Chilli. And I love Chilli because it has like a nice, like warm undertone to it. So hold on, let me take some of this lip balm off. It's like a nice, like, I don't know how to describe it. So do you see how like warm and beautiful and bright this red is? But it still is like kind of like a natural type of, oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful red. It's like an orangey kind of red, you know? But you see how it just transforms your look so much. So a lot of times, like, yeah, when I'm going out somewhere and I don't want to do the crazy smoky eye or crazy eyeshadow look, all you need is a really good like eyeliner with like a really good bright red lip. And of course, if you add in lip liner, it really does change the look. It kind of tones down the brightness a little bit. And of course, like, it depends what lip liner you guys have. I just like the really brown look, so, but you can always get like a lip liner that actually matches like the actual lipstick. Add a little bit of lip gloss just to get some moisture back in. It's still a moisturizing lipstick, but it's not as moisturizing as like the other ones, but it's definitely not matte for sure. Oh, I just love this color so much. You just forget how much you love it because I don't wear red too often. Basically, I just kind of save this from when I'm like going out somewhere. So this is the Russian red lipstick from MAC. So it's more of like a cooler undertone, and it's definitely way more like, I would say like a darker red with the cool undertone. So I feel like it's like, oh, you're going somewhere like, whoa, you want like that red, you know what I mean? Going somewhere fancy maybe, are you going out, or you gonna spice it up a bit? Okay, I should not be talking so much because I'm messing it up, but yeah, like it's different, right? Like it's more of like a cooler, sophisticated kind of red, I guess you could say. So this is like my first one that I've ever tried at MAC, and I loved it, and I still do. I think I just prefer Chilli a bit more, but this is still a good, it's still a really good one. It's almost similar, but not really kind of thing. You want to add in a little bit of lip gloss just to kind of soften it up again. Sometimes like the matte looks better for red because it just looks like more, I don't know, dressier, kind of fancier, but I don't know, I like my lips to look more moisturized. So this is it. This is the last one, Russian red. Let me know, you guys, what you guys think with all the Fave lipsticks I love from MAC. What are your guys' top Fave lipsticks for, especially for like darker skin, because I know it's like kind of challenging sometimes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked it, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.